Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make canvas texture in IbisPaint X. First, open the application and create a new canvas. You can choose any dimensions you like, perhaps a square canvas of 1000 by 1000 pixels for a good starting point. Next, select a base color for your artwork, something that will complement your desired texture. This initial step sets the foundation for your creative process. Now, let's add the texture. Create a brand new layer directly above your base color layer. Fill this new layer with a neutral gray, perhaps a 50% gray, which is perfect for blending. Then, change the blending mode of this gray layer to overlay. This mode allows the texture to interact beautifully with your base color, creating depth and visual interest. To generate the canvas grain, navigate to the filter menu and choose the noise filter. Experiment with the intensity slider. A value between 20 and 30% often yields a natural-looking texture. The goal is to create a subtle, fine grain that mimics real canvas, not an overwhelming pattern. This step is crucial for achieving that authentic artistic feel. For a more pronounced texture, you can duplicate your noise layer. Then, reduce the opacity of this duplicated layer to around 50% to fine-tune the effect. You can also experiment with other blending modes if you wish. Once satisfied, you can merge your texture layers or simply continue drawing on new layers above them, enjoying your new canvas texture.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.